Hello, I'm here making this video because I wanted to show you guys this product. This is the Glysomed Body Lotion. Okay? This company makes a bunch of other different types of creams and lotions, like different types of hand creams, foot creams, vitamin E creams, and just other different lotions and soother creams. Yeah, so this is in this body lotion. It's a fast absorbing body lotion. It hydrates, enriches, and softens your skin. It has vitamin E, aloe, chai, and mango butters. So definitely good for softening out your skin, and seeing that it has vitamin E and aloe could also probably be good for sunburns. So that's always a plus. So if you look at it, you take it out and I put it on my hand here. It's kind of like a white cream, and it comes out like that in a tube form. Yeah, so it's really just like any other type of cream you may use or see. It's really soft, very creamy, as it would be. It's still cold, even though it's been sitting out for probably like a few months, just out on the table, and that's probably due to the aloe that's in it, making it cool. So as you can tell, if you take it and you put it on your arm, it can wipe in even with all that much. If I wipe it in enough, it goes in really easily. One of the downsides I've found, though, actually, is that even though it gets in easily and starts soothing, you could still have these white, it's almost like residue left over that doesn't fully get in, which isn't the greatest. So yeah, it's easy to come off your hand, so all you have to do really is just wash it off, and it comes off fairly easily. So that's a plus side. Like I said, Glycerim, it's part of BlizzTech's company, so I know they also make different types of lip balms and stuff too. I first seen it online. It was like an ad that popped up. I wanted to give it a try because it seemed like it was a fairly good product, and I've seen other partnered companies, and then I've liked their products too, so I figured I'd give it a shot. If you look on the back here, the ingredients are, let me read them out. The ingredients are water, dichlorate, yeah, and a bunch of other different ingredients, which isn't really the best because it has such a big ingredient list. I know you can't really see it, but that's the whole ingredient list, which kind of turns me off from it a bit, because I don't really like how there's a lot of ingredients, because you don't really know fully what you're putting on yourself. So that's definitely a downside. It smells a lot like cucumber scented things. If you've seen any other instead of cucumber, that's really what it smells like. I wouldn't try to taste it because it's probably really poisonous, so I'd keep it away from your kids. You can also get these in a smaller bottle, so like a travel size, so you can take it on a plane, because it's right at the max at 100, so you can't take this on your carry-on. You can put it in your suitcase, but other than that, you can't really keep it. I've seen also, though, the bottle is fairly durable, which is good, so you know how it doesn't open up in your bag and get cream everywhere, because I know that's probably happened to some people. You can also shake it a lot, and the cap won't come off or anything, so that's always a good sign. Yeah, it's small, so you can really bring it anywhere that you wanted to. It doesn't take up much space. Really good in that aspect. I really appreciate that. So if I look here, the company is located in Oak Brook, Illinois. It is distributed in the USA, and it is made in China. So you know, that's always, I like having companies that are usually like made at the manufacturer itself, or like where the company is, but so that's kind of also another downside of it, is that it's made out of the country. Yeah, you can't, the bottle's fairly like durable too, like I'm squeezing really hard, which is cool, so it won't like pop off or anything, but you can't like make it any smaller or push it down to bring it anywhere else. Yeah, and there's nothing that you need to do with it either. It just comes straight like this in the bottle, take it out of the package, take off like the plastic, and that's pretty much it. There's no like assembling at the top or anything, or any other things. I've also seen actually a few celebrities on social media, on Instagram, use this product and like post about it that they like it, so that's really cool that it's definitely a popular product. Some celebrities and other things like that. It's definitely very easy to use, as I showed. It rubs in really good. As you can tell, it's already gone now. Even that little leftover spot is already off, so it's definitely very easy to use. Yeah, so it's liquid based, but as like I showed you before, it's not very like liquidy, so like, you know, I can turn my hand like that and it won't spill or anything like that. So it's like thick. It's almost like a gel, or like a toothpaste consistency it has. Yeah, that's, you know, how it feels and how the consistency of it is. It works very fast, as you've seen. It rubbed in really fast, and I find it definitely, like, my skin already feels way smoother. So it's definitely good for that. It was also a hot day, and putting that on my arm, it's cooled it off already, so that's really a plus side for me. So you don't have to put anything else before this product. You can just put it on your arm. You don't need to wash your arm off or anything, or any type of your body part. It's just ready to go. So I really hope that you found this video informative on this product, and maybe you'll even check it out. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.